Question is the word simply being put forth by this representation, Mr. President. Because again, sabi nga, wala pa raw siyang nakita. The distinguished gentleman from Tarlac, with due respect, said wala pa siya nakita na unanimous decision ng Supreme Court na baliktad. No? Again, I said, there's always a first time. Oh, bakit ko sinasabi ito? I will quote the Supreme Court themselves. In De Pedro versus Romasan Development Corporation, GR 194751, July 1, 2015, I quote, Supreme Court nagsabi nito, while the Supreme Court's decisions are immediately executory, they are not considered final until the lapse of the prescribed period without a motion for reconsideration or upon denial of such motion. Sila nga mismo nagsasabi na hindi final eh. Ano ba naman ang masama na maghintay tayo na kung final na? For all you know, I might vote on the motion to dismiss. Hindi ba? If there is such a motion, because according to Senator Lacson, it does not exist in the Senate. It exists in the impeachment court. And what I am being told is that it should be the defense, the lawyers of the defense who should pose that motion to dismiss, not a judge. I agree with Senator Lacson. There is no such thing as a motion to dismiss in the Senate. In the impeachment court, yes. Thank you, Mr. President.
Hindi po ba inamid na natin, Mr.
By the way, just one last point. Why did the Supreme Court ask Sara to comment? Kung final and executory na yan, bakit si Vice President Sara was asked to comment by the Supreme Court just a few days ago? Di ba? So, ibig sabihin, talagang pakikinggan pa nila. At baka sakali makita nila, dahil yung mga abogadong nakapaligid sa kanila, nagbigay sa kanila ng mga maling figures at maling impormasyon.
Mr.
By way of point,
President, kaya nga po nag-i-speculate tayo rito eh. Hindi natin alam kung anong iniisip ng Supreme Court. Pero sa ngayon, sinabi po niya, immediately executory at tayo lamang po talaga ang pinagsasabihan niya. At tungkol naman po sa motion to dismiss na minodify ko na kung ayaw po ninyo, wala po akong magagawa. Pero may I invoke Section 135 of the Senate Rules. Ang sabi po rito, if there is no rule applicable to a specific case, the precedence of the Legislative Department of the Philippines shall be resorted to. So ang dami po nito eh. Dito po magkakaroon ng motion to dismiss dito. Lahat po ng precedents, kahit na wala po tayong specific rules, ay observe po natin ang Section 135 ng ating rules. Pero dahil inamend ko na nga po, kung pwede na po yung motion to archive, which is consistent to the immediate execution of the decision of the Supreme Court addressed to this august chamber. Okay, bakit naman po pinipilit pa nating i-delay based on speculation? Based on the fortunes of whatever the Supreme Court will decide later on, which is based on impossibility.
noted and entered into the records.
Mr. President.
What is the pleasure of the Honorable Cayetano?
Just 1 minute, Mr. President. Just for the information of the body, there's actually a Supreme Court case about the power to dismiss a case. Ito po yung Velasquez versus